11. You know why I'm sitting down? Because I tried to get a cameraman, but I couldn't. So right now it's on a chair and a holder thing. But the thing is that where's the episodes? Where's the series about the stretching adventure? I've been waiting for like 10 weeks. Where is it? Well, I ran out of time and I forgot about it again. If you want to check about not posting videos and the part 2 I just posted on Friday, the last Friday, you could check out those 2 videos I posted. Okay? And you can learn all about it that I forget videos. But back to this. Well, I'm trying to flip this plane. As you can see, I have all this room to try to flip a plane. You're probably thinking, how am I supposed to flip this plane? I don't know. It's probably going to take forever, so if I get tired again, I'll just end the video. But I got to try first, okay? I'll get it started. All right, let's go. Got to lower the camera like a little bit. There we go. All right. Flares, plane flip. It's supposed to be here. Here we go. I didn't even show on the camera, but sorry. Oh, as you can see, this plane can fly perfectly, but I can't. It did something. I'll tell you that. So I'll just so what are you thinking? How am I supposed to flip this plane? So first you're gonna go, and it goes a lot of pressure, and it goes whack down into that runway, just like a plane. Oh, it's right there! It just didn't have enough jump boost. Oh, dang, man. It's close there. That was a fast airplane right there. Dang. Here we go. That was just straight up straight line. I don't know how is this gonna do this, but keep trying. Never give up. That was perfect. We got a plane crash over here. Oh, man, it just goes on a straight line. You can't flip. But I'm still going. Come on. What was that? First of all, did you guys see that? That was not good. That was just straight up it was just like a plane just going on the runway. Okay. What? Just can't do it. Come on. Do this right now. Oh! Do you guys see that? It almost did. It just didn't have enough jump boost. Oh! It can, but I gotta get a more boost. That's all I gotta do. I'm not boost. Gotta do it at the right time. Oh, that was flying, but still good. It still did good. Come on. Oh. It just can't have enough boost. It's not working. Man, I got as wise as I guess. Nothing with it. Gosh, it's gonna take forever. Trust me. We gotta fly it down. We gotta go to the emergency. Come on. Just landed on Dave's desk. Ugh. Oh, dang! You gotta saw it, but you couldn't see that. That thing was over there. What was that? It didn't do anything. You saw that? That was a flying fast thing. Oh, jeez. Dang. Just doesn't go up there. Guys, this is not working. It's not. It's like it's doing like a little up thing, but I don't know if I could jump boost. Alright, I will have 5 tries, okay?
Okay.
5 tries, and if I don't do it, I'll end the video, okay? Oh man! It didn't. It was like this. It was like this. And it tried, but it couldn't. So it tried. Alright, 3 tries left. Alright, let's see. Oh, 2 tries left. I'm not giving up. Come on, we gotta do it. No, 1 try left. Guys, moment of truth. Do you think this 1 try could flip this plane? Let's find out. Last try. Sorry. So I failed not trying to flip this plane, but I did good trying to do it. It's like it doesn't do a lot of boost, just like kinds of just like this. Watch, I'll give you an example. Just like it just can't. Give you an example. Just like if you want to try to loop it, this plane cannot work. It cannot flip. Sorry, I try not doing this, but I'll give you a challenge. We're close to 10 subscribers. So what I wanted you to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notifications button, and let's reach our goal. We have 7 subscribers, but I want to get to 10 subscribers, okay? And I'm going to be 10 soon. So let's see if we can make this happen if I'll be 10, okay? So I want you to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment, and hit the notifications button, because next video we'll do the stretching adventure. Sorry I tried to flip in this plane, but I did good. So, peace, bye. Wait. Peace, bye.